In this video, we're going to talk about Cloud Code versus Windsurf AI. First, let's tackle the Cloud Code overview. Cloud Code is a terminal based AI assistant that is fully based on Anthropic's latest cloud versions, including Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. The system is base suited for self editing tasks with multi files editing, along with a wide range of support for large code bases, as it works in a context of 200K tokens with over 50% performance on SWE bench verified. It is available for users via subscription to Cloud Pro at $20 a month, and it is designed for power users with complex and agentic workflows and terminal operations in particular. Then let's go to Windsurf AI overview. Windsurf AI is an AI powered IDE which is based on VS Code and comes with real time inline completion and multi line suggestion with the Cascade agent for flow state guide edits. The system uses multiple AI models such as Cloud 3.5 or 3.7, GPT 4.0 with context handling capabilities optimized for project wide indexing, and comes with 40 plus plugins, including enterprise grade compliance or the SOC2 HIPPA. Pro version costs $15 a month after the free one. Let's compare its main features. For the interface, Cloud Code operates on Terminal CLI, while Windsurf runs on a full IDE compatible with VS Code. For context, Cloud Code employs a context window of 200K tokens. Windsurf applies a sliding context with RAG driven indexing of projects. For autocomplete, Cloud Code lacks autocomplete. Windsurf provides real time multi line suggestions. For the agent system, Cloud Code acts autonomously for complex processes, while Windsurf adopts the cascade method for step by step collaboration. For price plan, Cloud Code comes bundled with Cloud Pro for $20 a month, while Windsurf costs $15 a month starting point. So, who is this best for? Cloud Code suits big code base refactoring and terminal agents, while Windsurf caters to inline assistance, productivity enhancement, and regulatory compliance. For strengths and applications, Cloud Code is great for autonomous coding on large scale projects without any inline support, needing a very proficient user when it comes to using terminals. Meanwhile, Windsurf is excellent for daily coding with quick suggestions, over 1,000 VS Code plugins, and enterprise capabilities, even though it consumes much more local processing power. They both have advanced filtering systems that eliminate copyright issues through the comparison of codes. So, which one is right for you? Choose Cloud Code if you need complete control over your terminal on large scale projects with autonomous coding. Opt for Windsurf if you want an IDE experience, lightning fast, auto completion, and secure enterprise environment support. Try the free versions of each and let us know which one suits you better down below. Subscribe for more AI tools reviews.